When I really mess with my mind, no really.
Rose, honestly, the picture is sure.
Picture one
Say yes, me not telling a lie. The policeman, him never use no filter, him use regular camera. I look
honestly,
damn
God,
good.
when I really took about it, it's like.
Cause they went on the camera upon me, Rose, what boss they see. What boss they upon me. You look so nice.
No, sir. No, sir.
Because I rose. And then they have the audacity, the time when they sit down and I worry about certain things. I not even want to sit up, because them just obsessed.
You could have just take one shoe and go down at Ochi and your husband, your man and your pitney and go really breeze off a little. Because them police have compromised your safety too. I really got easy head come. I know them something they feel, Every time you remember, you say, boy, look how them people that's coming at my house, come violate me. And that's why you're not arrested. The government put out something so them know Tuesday list not featuring a parliament because we need the answers.
And if you want to live for a couple of days, make we know. I'm in a still so. If you don't want to stay there, you call me and make we know the whole way we figure out something.
He posted on his page, go on Instagram and go on his official page, Andrew Holness.
That's why you remember for you talk to the lawyer tomorrow, and if and more money you come back, right? Yes, sir, and we'll come together and raise the money. I tell you, so this is not a fight for you alone, Rose. Enough people go through this. Thank God, so you have the influence to get the attention of JCF and get the attention of the Prime Minister. Enough female them run in pan and go kill them, unalive them man, and nothing no come out of it. Them not nobody for turn to nobody not listen to them. But the poor is a crime. You're not arrested every day you come up as and talk about it. I'm playing a match now. Every day you come up as and run this red.
And to the people them who are pick up for the police, them say them video it for them own safety. Fine, no problem. How the video reach out? Them video it and done, how it reach out? That is the question. Nobody not care why, what time, how it reach out. That is the issue. How it sent out. Is that part of the safety measures as well?
Yeah, they want to make a mockery of the woman.
Them do it for them safety. I know say police America wear body cam. Y'all go say y'all look for gunman operation.
One of ask a question to the people in the world. Because this is the world. What do do that? What do you think we're going to get? I'm not thinking about, why, chacha. What do do that? One thing we're going to get. Somebody to sit and laugh. Say, yo, take me for a laughing stock, don't it? Don't want to keep on and come in here. If you want to take me for a clown, I want to think I get someone to be slung and laugh. Oh, ha ha ha. Okay.
If Rose and somebody went a war and Rose send them their naked picture and then put it out, all right, that bad and not so bad. Uno not get the bigger picture. This is police.
I didn't send this.
No, we just have say if that way happen, you could have said, all right then, it's your fault. But it's not your fault. It's a police did this, and if he would do this to Rose, the same thing you would do the rest of we want nobody. Cause enough of we not have no shares in our politics, we not have no shares in our parliament. We not have no family member, we are no big politicians. So same thing with a reach we, and that you not understand this bigger than Rose.
And no come out to it.
This bigger than Rose, this is what they would do to the rest of us who they consider nobodies.
Somebody said them send $30. Look how you send the 30. And if you still want to assist her with raising the lawyer fee, the cash up the right there, so and Angel, put down the cell. Okay, so this is not about Rose. You look, you look on them and an individual fight this. This is bigger than Rose. This is for justice. And I know some of the family in the ghetto would have got through the same thing. And nobody in a look pound now. When you can't go to the police station, you can't go nowhere. Them going to run around. You not focus on the wrong things and I make a bag of knives in the market.
Rose, I'm away from work. And when I go to work tomorrow, I want you lift my spirit. So, ball now and prepare yourself tomorrow for be jovial again. Trust me, this will pass. You're gonna be okay. What you have is already in you. Nobody can take it away. I know you feel some type of way, and you know, every time you sit in your quiet moment and you think about it, you're gonna be like, you know, why me? What if them they kill me? What if them it could have been worse? Every time you feel that way, think about your kids, hug on your kids, love on your kids, because at the end of the day, what you have, nobody can take it away. And you already know Kim Flavor, anything you want. You know, me not shoot per app, because I not get TikTok my money. You don't know the strips already. Anything or anything. Anything you want, you need to go breeze out, say the word. You have people in your back. Somehow we don't need to see who are shoot and who are do what. We not there for show and tell. Just know say you have people who really and truly have your back. And if you don't want to take the door money and go buy no damn door, you want to go near it, go near it. Because people will give you the money, they give you fit, they will do whatever you want to do with it.
To pay for the door to the on the live, mama.
All right.
And thanks for your contribution yesterday to our team. You're going with us.
Nobody not talk about how Rosealee carry children them to the dentist regularly. That's what a lot of people don't do. Nobody not think about how Rosealee carry herself to the dentist regularly. To check up on herself and our kids them. Look our kids them rosy and nice and fat. Obviously them not short of food. Nobody not talk about that. People talk about clean house with dirty bodies and dirty spirits. Enough of them have never been to a dentist, don't know what it looks like, and she as a ghetto girl. Make sure I pin them go and get dentist regular. I know this for a fact. Nobody not talk about that.
A Super Bowl in
Nobody not talk about how them healthy. People are talk about door and bed.
Come here working in the morning.
And they don't have a file at the doctor office.
Oh,
Well, yeah, they
baby,
probably
oh,
have it
God.
to fear infection and crosses.
Look up and I talk about the wrong thing.
Them win.
And then I talk about me and Rose. I send out video with people. The video was already out. So what kind of karma fear? The video was already out.
Them win.
I WhatsApp
Them win.
group going on and see video.
Even the fact today that them the panel that the boy the panel like to them and say me send man to be there man and their man and tell me if I can leave. So all in a many ways not try to bring me down. They'll come and like come tell people say yes. I just said them and then you all of y'all sit there, all of y'all the comment sit there and say yeah. Elisha tell no story. And then they come here, I don't need no sympathy story. Just give me day one people in. Because we know one of the